Okay, so here goes nothing. So I'm going to solve one of our in TryHackMe again. It's gonna be like fourth CDF or third. I don't remember actually. So this one is a hard room. I just wanna see how my skills are going on. Even though I don't have like that much of confidence, we can just do it. But I have some plans to solve this. So let's grab the IP. I've already connected this and scan the first thing I will do to scan this. And I don't actually need the version. Well, you can do like SV, then SC, and then put this in like those your own one in text file and text dot scan something txt, then put your IP here. But for this rooms in TryHackMe nowadays, I'm just simply doing nmap scan, the simple nmap scan. Well, yeah, little more about this room. First, I have to give the introduction. This is daily Bugle, and it's an like difficulty is hard. Well, actually, like hard and easy is kind of same in CTF. So maybe sometimes you get it, and we have to get some rooms. Joomla version, so it must be like a running in Joomla and okay, I have like I will go with hints. I wonder if this version Joomla is vulnerable. Okay, so there's gonna be like old version of Joomla, and okay, now we have three services open. First one is okay. We can just we have already grabbed the IP address. So first one gonna be our port 80. Let's connect with it. And one more thing I want to do is gonna split the screen and ping it. This is what I want to see if we are actually connected or not. Well, actually we are connected, and that's it. Now just close it. Okay, so I don't know why it's not connecting. Okay, yeah. We're in. So here, like Spider-Man robs bank, and here's the Spider-Man. Why Spider-Man is doing this, I don't know, and that's the answer of our first question. Access the web server. So it's actually just saying like access the web server, so it means like port 80 is already presented there, just giving a hint who robbed the bank. So as you can see, this guy doesn't look like a Spider-Man, but like still Spider-Man. Okay, so there you go, our first answer. Now what is Joomla version? Okay, now there's nothing to laugh about, but let's see, let me maximize it on 110. Okay, now let's go to the source code and try Joomla version. Not able to find any. What is okay. Oh, no, I can't. Okay, there's two matches. Like here we can see like Joomla is presented here. Now the another one match. Like where's the another one? Let me see. Can't able to see that. Maybe okay, we can't able to see that one, but I don't think they are giving that version here. So let's go and do one more thing we actually do. So this one is kind of easy. These things, just go and do GoBuster, and I will actually go with common one. You can go with any. Okay, I'm going with my word list with common one. I already use common one due to like bug hunting and all the stuff, but you can go with anyone if you want. So let's wait, it will just take a couple of seconds. Actually waiting is kind of hard in this. Okay, now we got something. Here's the administrative one. Let's copy this. Now that's the actually good thing about GoBuster. They have updated it, and they are just giving URL nowadays. So just copy this address. We'll go back again. I don't actually need anything else. There are like a couple of more. You can just go with that. Let's jump into it, and there's gonna be some login page. If yeah, So okay, so we have the login page. Let's go to the source code again. Can't able to see anything. Okay, I was just looking for something if they are just giving password here or some hints. So no hints and no password. Oh, what is this? No. Okay, nothing is here. Now the actual thing what we have to do for that question is going for Google search. Okay, scan Joomla version. Scan Joomla version, and yeah, this one is already presented there. So I'm using Kali Linux, and if you are using like Linux and doing this, everyone is using Linux for doing this. So just go with this tool. You can find any source code in here. I just need a source code so I can just clone it. Okay, oh, here is Joomla homepage. Yeah, source code repository. Gonna be GitLab. I was thinking GitHub. Okay, this tool is gonna give us the version of Joomla. Now I will go with HTTPS. That's what I do. Now let's clean this out. Git clone and put this. Now we have this Joomla scan. Okay, let's jump into it. We can just run it as a binary. Yeah. Now just give the URL. What is that IP address? Just copy it. I do it like a couple of times. Clicks there. Okay, no target specified. So okay, yeah. I think. Okay. Oh yeah. Now I got the idea. Now we are in Joomla. Oh yeah. Oh, we have to specify the U for URL. Now let's go. I just did it like that. So oh yeah, here we go. The Joomla is 3.7.0. Nice. We got it. Our first flag. That's like, okay, I'm using tools, but still, if you are making like your own tools, then okay, now I don't need a mess. I want to just clean this every time I just use this. Okay, we don't even need a source code. No, we don't need a source code. Now we got the Joomla version, and what's the next question? Instead of using SQL map, why not use a Python script? What is Jonas cracked password? So now is Joomla 3.7. 3.7.0 Joomla exploit. I'll search for like this. Okay, just search for like Python exploit. They are just saying this. Oh, okay, so there's 3.7.0. Now this is the file I just needed, and it's actually CVE. You can study about it, but there is no reason to study about it, so we are just gonna clone it again and just use this exploit. So git clone, and then there go our exploit. Okay, it's just taking a lot of time on it. Okay, now okay, where is that? Holy shit, no, don't do this to me. I have just put it in the same directory. Okay, there we go. Exploit Joomla, and here we go. Now we can run it as a Python. Now Joomla, if I can just give this HTTP not s and our IP address I'll copy it. I'm not pretty sure if this gonna work like this. Okay, it's working. Sometimes I just go with a readme file, but even though if they don't have that one, okay, there you go, we got some hash, and this is gonna be our password. But first we have to crack this. Okay, let's copy it, put it in vim, and give it as a hash. Now there you go, hash. I'll just put the hash in it. Now I don't even know. Okay, actually I know like what hash is it, but if in some case you don't know like what hash it is, you can just use hashcat wiki for it, like hashcat wiki. I have already that like searched it a lot, but sometimes I can't. So here you go, like example hashcat wiki. So there are like lots of example. Is bcrypt and is bcrypt, because I know, yeah. So you can just see it, like as an example here. It looks same. Let me just zoom it for you. So you can see starting with a like $sign and blah blah blah. See here. Oh no, it's actually same. Like what the fuck? No. For a second I just thought like they have just put the same example, and so we can just correct it. But no, now we are using hashcat to crack this. So for that, just use hashcat, then just give attacking mode to O, attacking mode 0, then M. For your mode is gonna be, what was that? Where is that $sign? Yeah, 3200, and then you want to give your hash, and after that give a word list. And in that directory I have pass.txt already, but oh yeah, first let me go to that directory first. So I'm just doing this like in that directory. I already have like this pass.txt, so no need for that. Hashcat, then our attacking mode is O, M 3200, and now I need that hash. Oh shit, wait a sec, let me grab that hash first. Where we have saved that hash? No, in exploit. I put that. Yeah, we have put that. So just move it to that. Move hash to our home, your CTF, daily, blah blah blah, and okay. Now we have that here. Now hash. Okay, we just move that, nothing else. Like but kind of reminder, you have to do this in the same directory. I'm just like kind of fucking confused where I was. So now just give your directory to solve this, and I'm going with pass.txt. You can go with that. Okay, let me show you. There's a walkthrough, so you can just go with user, share, wordless, and row queue. So this is the main one you have to use every time you crack your password and hashes. But this time I'm going with pass.txt because I just made it. So there you go. You have this. Okay. All stopped and show. Now I can just use show. Well, it's actually cracked that, and now let's use show for the password, and we got it. Spiderman123 is the password. Well, actually that's a very new password if you are putting this. Spiderman is stealing a bank, but still have this password. Kind of disappointed. Okay, what is user flag? So okay, there's user flag, Okay, no, no, no way. Okay, we have this, and we also have the username. Okay, let's go into administrative if I'm not wrong. Let's try to do that. Spider-Man 123 was the password. Oh, let's see. Okay, yeah. We just got it here, and that's great. We are here, but can I use it with SSH? If I have SSH, I want to use it for SSH purposes. Okay, so 3 and what's the use of it? Okay, I have SSH, right? If I do SSH, then no, wait. Maybe I should do a reverse shell in this. Let's do a reverse shell for it. Yeah, that's the only thing I think we have to do. So what is this? Joomla and the reverse shell in templates. Then we should go in templates. Now remember this path because we are going to use it. Now just cut it out. Bees 3. Okay, details, everything. Now just we have to find this index.php. Okay, we just need okay, we just need some username and something. I think I got this one. I just remember everything. So now we are index.php. Now you have to go for a reverse shell. It's pentestmonkey. If you go to pentestmonkey.net, this is the URL, and go to cheat sheet, and then you need reverse shell, cheat sheet. Find PHP one. Actually, yeah, here we go. There's a PHP one, and if you want a PHP, just download this one file. I already have this on my download section, and I will just move it to okay, I already have that. So where is that? Let me see. So here is our PHP. I will just move this to not just move, okay, I just move it because I already have that in the zip file, so why not. PHP reverse shell and 1.0. So yeah, that's it. Now just use in home, URL, and CTF daily. Yep, we got it here. Now we have our PHP reverse shell. Just open it. We are gonna do some great things with it. Gonna close this. This is just trouble. Let cat PHP reverse shell, and gonna copy it. I wanna know why the fuck. Okay, there you go. Now just copy it and put it. Well, it's actually a great room. Liking it. Now, okay, we have put our reverse shell. Now there are a few things to change. First, like change your IP to the one you have. Mine is 10.9.12.38. Okay, and I also don't like 1234. I like 6969. My port, and just save it. Okay, we have just saved. Let's try. Okay, yeah. Now before doing this, we need a shell. So for that, I will just split again. Maybe I can do this on new one, but and see, I will just do 1 2 3 4. Why the fuck I have did this? Maybe I was this doing something. Now this is netcat. I just like listening to port 6969. 6969. Actually you have to say this. And now let's go to grab this IP address again, and if now we are going to start our reverse shell. There's gonna be templates. What is that? Bees. Okay, where are we? BWZ3. Oh. Okay, bees, then index.php. If I'm not correct, oh, I have did something wrong here. Wait. Okay, there must be something wrong. Why? Wait. Okay, templates, nice. These 3, and then index.php. Okay, yeah. No, I think like I have some. Okay, there you go. And I think the problem was that I just misspelled something. So here we are. Who am I? Now we go to shell. I'm Apache. That's a good thing. Now let's see something we can find in this section. We can just go to var. Okay, this is the only thing where you have to go for HTTPS and HTTP. Actually HTTP. Now we have like www. So just go to www and see. Yeah, we have this. Okay, we got in now we got HTML, right? Correct. Nice. Now I just need that configuration or something. So I have web configuration. I don't need it. Okay, I configuration file. I just need this one. That's actually very good. Configuration.php. Now there you go. Okay, we got everything, I think. Yeah, this. Oh wow. Now is a root password. Okay, just put it somewhere. I just need it because that's the only thing I'm curious about. Well, actually that's okay. Wow, we are finally in. So I will just use Vim and XSX just for something. I'm not thinking anything bad, but I'll just show you why I'm doing this. Okay, this is root, and what is the password? Is the password? Okay, if it's not root, it must be Joomla, and we can put this as the same password and something else. Okay, can we just see configuration and something else I need to see? Okay, Jonah @hackme.com. Oh, one more thing I will put is John, and I don't think like something else. Okay, now we are going to just close the server shell. Okay, that's it. We just need this file and this. Okay, now we can just do to go with our SSH because SSH port was open. Now let's go. Just give me a second. If SSH was really open, I want to just check it again. Because I can't even remember it. I don't know. Yeah. So we actually have like pretty time left. Oh, what the fuck I'm doing? And map and just put it. I want to see if that SSH is open or not. Can we have that? And I was taking too much time. Why? Okay, 64.90% done. if it doesn't work, I will just go with my thinking, and I think it's actually open, because I remember. Okay, oh wow, it's open. It's open. I should be doing that first. Okay, no problem if sometimes just forgot. It's not just a big deal. We go with SH. We can just go with root @ and where's the IP address? I have already copied that. Okay, nice. Yes, of course. What was the password? Okay, let's copy it. Okay, no problem. So I go with the same one. Jameson, the one from the previous, and if I go with the password, let's close this. Oh yeah. Okay, we are in. Who am I? Let's see. Okay, nice. Oh, very nice. Let's do ls, and let's see if I have another flag. Oh, what was the question again? Okay, we just need a user flag, so we got the user flag. We can just get that out. Get user to flag. Oh, the txt. Now this is our first flag. Wow, this room is pretty great. I was actually like, okay, now we need a root flag. So every time when you are in some shell, now just close this one. I don't need it. So when you are in kind of like another terminal and you are trying to do this, so the only thing you have to see how much privilege permissions you have. So for that, use sudo l, like seeing how many. Okay, this yum, and I actually never heard of yum, but still. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will go with get the fuck out bins, and let's get the fuck out bins, and it's sudo. Oh yeah, I have searched this maybe. So this is the URL where you have to go, and you can just search about anything, and these guys are so much great, like they are super great. So now we have yum. Let's go to sudo one. So I'm going to use this, and I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, like fuck, I can't able to like explain this, but you have to just copy this and paste it. So just please just do it, and do it a favor on me. I will explain it. I have tried to do like what we are doing, like plugins, and then we are doing some variables in it, but it's actually kind of hard to just explain what is going on. So the only thing we are doing here to become root, and everyone likes to become a root, and this is the last part. We are just doing it. If this works, I guess this gonna be so this. Now we are going to cat that out, and this is the last one. Now we import this. Now what are we doing here? Now we are defining a function. Wow. And this is sudo. Now we have the sudo permissions. I guess we can. Yo, my god. So it's like, okay, now we are root, but like before doing this, I want to tell you this is like something which these guys have made. And okay, get the fuck out bins, and I really appreciate this guy. You should like give them a star, and so they deserve it, because I'm using it like for 1 year and they never let anyone down maybe. So let's go to root. Let's go to root. If we are, oh no, wait a sec. Oh, we actually in some other directory. Let's go to root one. Let's do ls. So here we have the root one, and it's gonna be close our box, not our box, our room. Sorry on that. Like copy it, and where's our last one? Okay, that's it. And this is the credit one, so you don't have to actually go, just fine, and watch your. Okay, here you go, and we have completed. Thank you guys for watching. I think it's gonna be a very long video, but like this room was kind of hard, and that's it. I will see you in the next one. We will do more CTFs. Okay, where is my fucking OBS?